Holy shit, my neighbors hate me. They gotta hate me. They gotta hate me. Top of the morning. Nice little drive today. Shitty weather. Humid as hell, but at least the roads are somewhat dry. Just got new brakes. Finally could comfortably stop my car. My last brakes, if anybody cares, I had the unnecessary. So my last brakes, I had Stop Tech slotted rotors, and they started off good for a few weeks. I mean, for a few months maybe, and then they just went to shit. They just got super warped. Every time I was braking, it was like and just felt really really unsafe. But yeah, new brakes. I went OEM everything. The bite freaking sucks. They stop, but like the bite is just not there. I gotta press down so hard to get the same amount of brake as my last ones, but just taking it easy on these ones, trying not to wear them out as quick. And new tires. My tires kept freaking losing air. They're metal showing. I think the main thing I need to stop doing is turning off traction control and actually trying to drift this car as if it's a drift car, because each tire is like 300, 400 bucks. So that shit does not make sense, my friend. Somebody said to use paddle shifters. I'll use them, but they just don't feel the greatest, you know? Just feel a little unresponsive. Well, they weren't that bad right there. What is up with all these people fucking honking at me? I'm not even getting close to you. Really that guy right now? This server is shot. I need to change these NPCs. Damn, the greenery is crazy right now. I haven't driven here in a while. Holy shit. This looks insane. I hope the video does it justice. I feel like I'm freaking driving through a goddamn jungle. I love it. Don't love these roads though. They can't all be great. Like, wow, look at this. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. I can't get over this. It's unbelievable. I'm really hoping the video's doing this justice. Maybe window open. Car sounds so fucking good. So one thing I'm gonna miss when I get the next car, whatever it is. Next car, I need turbos. I need to go faster, faster, faster. But I'm gonna miss this naturally aspirated engine. It sounds so freaking good. You know, this is therapy right here. Nice quiet drive. The only thing yelling in my ear right now is this fucking V6 naturally aspirated engine. God damn. I don't know where I'm headed. I don't know what I'm doing. But we're doing it. Let me know in the comments if you guys got any specific videos you'd like to see. I got a ton of ideas. I think next video I'm gonna drop a little mod list, everything I have done to the car. A lot of people have been asking that for a while, but I feel now I have a decent amount of stuff done to the point where I can make actual video. For the longest I just felt like I only had 3, 4, 5 things done, you know what I mean? And just about everything I've done everybody knows about. But one thing that I have not posted, it's when I was on my little cold streak, is I actually have been running an RR racing tune. So I'm gonna make a review on that soon. I think either that or the mod list. Whoa, you almost hit a deer. Holy shit, why you get so close to Bambi? Where'd it go? Fucking gone like the wind. Imagine, I don't even want to say it. I was gonna say, imagine I hit a deer while I'm fucking going out on a stroll trying to get some content. That would be embarrassing. I don't know where the fuck I am, but those are usually the best drives. Holy shit. These fucking roads are tight, my friend. This is unbelievable. This is the longest cable I have to charge my goddamn phone. Shit's flying around like a fucking yo-yo. Starting to get some drizzle. A shizzle on this. Uh-oh. La polizia. They're probably not gonna like that I got a camera on my head with a loud car. Who the fuck's supposed to go? Go. Somebody go. This is retarded. I truly have no idea where I am. But I like these roads nice and smooth. Not too much traffic. It's a little dark though. It's freaking 9:45 in the morning. Can't see. responsive these engines are. As soon as you boom, boom, shit takes off. No lag, no turbo lag. The fastest you could get besides a fucking Tesla. Or any electric car, honestly. Speaking of electric cars, I actually just saw a Rimac yesterday. One of my buddies knows a fucking dude at Miller Motors. So we went downstairs in the basement. I'm so stupid for not taking a video. But we went downstairs in the basement in McLaren. And they just had a fucking green Rimac just chilling, charging up. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Next time I go though, I'm gonna take a lot of footage. There's actually a Miller Motors car event coming up in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna go over to that, take a bunch of footage, show you guys all the crazy shit they have there. Because they really got some fucking insane cars. Some shit that you like, I don't even understand how someone could acquire. It's unbelievable. I feel like I'm in Pennsylvania right now. Whatever. Just gonna bust this left, see what happens. Strangers in the night, exchanging faces. I got a recommendation for you guys. Rain X windshield wipers. I recommend to never buy them. These shits fucking suck. You see these little like, I just installed these 2 weeks ago. And look, streaks. Every time it goes back, streaks. I could barely see. It's ridiculous. Such a shitty product. That's my second time buying them. I don't know why I gave them another shot. They're affordable, but they just don't sit on the windshield correctly. They don't get that right. They don't get that clean streak fucking squeegee out. Oh, these are windy. Those tires are so grippy. Shit won't lose traction even if I try. I must say, this car right now it's probably the best it's felt since I've owned it. Everything's up to date. I got new tires, new brakes, everything's aligned. Ever since I've had this car, there's always something just happens. You know what I mean? Like, I rarely ever have a car that's just driving how it should be driving. Mind you, each wheel is freaking bent because that's just how these cars are, and I'm not about to drop 2,000 on new wheels. But it's not like bent to a crazy extent. Like, for example, my steering wheel, this is the straightest it's ever been. It's always off a little bit, misaligned. But new tires, new brakes, I could stop on a dime. God damn, that's a sick fucking house. Holy shit. Just on a main road, that's the only shitty thing. But yeah, spark plugs, just changed them. Ignition coils. All the fluids, you know. I'm just saying basic shit that should be done, but holy moly. When I tell you it feels so good to just know your car is good. I could beat on this. I could cruise on this. I could brake from 100 to 0. Just feels good. And it feels good. It feels like it's enjoying being pushed. You know what I mean? Like, see, my last tires, I was going through that barrier. school on this road or some shit? What's up with all these bumps? Bumps in the road like acne. What's that, George Washington or something? I forgot. Holy fuck. That's a big goddamn trailer. Guy pulled up that hill in my lane. Get out of here. And that's a wrap. Hope you guys are really enjoying these POV videos. I'm having fun doing them. If there's anything else you would like to see in the videos, maybe something specific, but god damn. Nah, I'm always gonna love how this fucking car looks. It's beautiful. Let me just pop the hood real quick. I don't think I've shown that in a while or ever. This nice fat cold air intake. It's a little dirty. A little dirty. But we'll get that sorted out. I'm gonna be dropping a mod video either next week or the week after. Anything else you guys want to see, leave a comment. Any mods you think I should do, any driving video you think I should do, I'm all ears. I got a lot of ideas. I'm excited to be posting a lot more videos. I appreciate you guys for watching. But now let me go. I love you guys. I'll see you next week. Peace.